Behold, ladies and gentlemen, the epic, titanic, delicious, well-deserved, much-welcomed collapse of Tesla stock. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. If you haven't been watching the news, you may not have known that Tesla stock is down 60% in the last year. And if you look at Tesla stock over 5 years, it's still up 464%. But those massive 1,000% gains that a lot of Tesla investors got, those are rapidly evaporating. And the entire Tesla community is losing its collective mind. Why? Because a lot of these clowns bought Tesla stock because it went up a lot, not based on fundamentals. And now that Tesla's price, its stock price, is actually returning to potentially a decent buy point at some point, people are starting to realize that they invested in a bubble. And we're starting to see that a lot of the long-term Tesla bulls were just a bunch of morons that bought the stock because it went up a lot. Yes, I'm dead serious when I say people bought Tesla stock because it went up a lot. Now, one of my favorite YouTubers, my Stepbro, Meet Kevin, is absolutely falling apart. The amount of copium this man is, generating on his YouTube channel to try to justify the collapse of Tesla is insane. And I just want to be very frank, Kevin. It's very simple. Number one, never go all in on one stock. I've said that 1,000 times. Number two, Tesla has always been and continues to be a massive bubble. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla stock is a car company. Tesla itself is a car company. Tesla is currently trading at a market cap that is larger than Toyota, Volkswagen, and a couple other car companies combined. And they produce a fraction of the cars. Now, Tesla bulls like Kevin say, well, the PEG ratio, blah, 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 the growth of Tesla, 50% per year. That's the problem with the analysis of Tesla stock. People assume they're going to continue to grow revenues at 50% per year. I've been saying all along, they're a luxury car company. Most people can't afford these stupid little meme cars. They can't, especially with interest rates being high. And we could see their clownish CEO, Elon Musk, is too busy to save the world and instead is focusing on absolutely destroying Twitter, selling Tesla stock to bankroll his Twitter acquisition and his clownish games that he's playing, and he's leaving Tesla shareholders holding the bag. Look who made all the money. This clown did. Clown Elon Muskrat. Massive scammer, massive pump and number. And he's laughing at you, and you're still trusting him because, he's going to save the world. Yeah, he's got you fooled. He's a liar, a scammer, and a scoundrel. Now, there's some bad news going on with Tesla stock, okay? Tesla is now offering consumer credits, discounts of $7,500 to take delivery of Tesla's vehicles. That's pretty crazy, right? Now, next year, they're reinstating, because of the Inflation Reduction Act, they're reinstating some tax credits, okay? There's tax credits coming back for electric vehicles up to $7,500. But you got to make sure the vehicle actually qualifies because there's a lot of qualifications that go into it. But potentially, in 2023, if you buy a Tesla, you could potentially get $7,500 tax credit or even $3,750, depending. However, Tesla seems to be desperate to stimulate sales because they're offering discounts even after the CEO, Elon Musk, said that he would never do a no discount policy. And if you read here in this article, it's actually a really good article from Fortune. The company also, and that's Tesla, departed from its chief executive officer's insistence against spending on traditional advertising by promoting its wares on local television shopping channel in China. That's funny. It looks like Tesla is having a little bit of trouble selling cars. Now, maybe it's because everybody's just waiting for the credit. Maybe. Or maybe it's a luxury car company that was a meme and people are starting to get tired of it. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But with all this crap going on and all these reversals that Elon Musk is doing, I'll never give discounts and we will never do traditional advertising. What is this going to do to Tesla's margins? They're amazing margins. If you're cutting the price of your vehicle and you have the same cost of goods sold, your gross profit is going to shrink. Your bottom line profit is going to shrink because now you're spending money on advertising. And if you're not selling as many cars and you have a fixed amount of overhead from your factories, all these factories that he's building, that's going to lower the gross margins even more. This stock is in massive trouble. And in my opinion, you should sit out and wait to see what happens, because nobody really knows how fast Tesla's going to grow. Everybody's saying it's going to grow at 50% compounded, but if you actually do the math and you see, okay, wow, they're going to have 100 billion of revenue, and then 150 billion, and then 225 billion, it starts to get insane, the amount of revenue that people are assuming this highly expensive luxury car company is going to generate. I don't think that's going to happen. And if you go into Tesla stock like me and Kevin did, you went all in, you're going to be selling your butt, okay? That was a terrible decision. This stock is an absolute disaster, especially because you put your faith in a child. He has the mind of a child, Elon Musk. He's an idiot. How could you be an investor of this company after watching this absolute clown show where Elon Musk sells the stock near the top, pockets it, and spends the rest on a bunch of garbage like Twitter? This is a joke, okay? Tesla is finished. At least the stock price is. We'll see what happens to the company. I'm not buying this garbage. I'm not even close to buying this garbage. We'll see what happens. Cheers!